remodeling fans, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, etc. And today we are talking about mirrors, right? Okay, so, well actually just one specific type of mirror. It's a hidden medicine cabinet mirror. So this is a mirror, this is just an idea for you, right? So a lot of medicine cabinets are on the side walls and people want to eliminate them because they look weird on the side, right? They don't look as nice as just having like a nice finished wall. So I have been suggesting to install them on the back walls, right? So they come in all different shapes and sizes. Like this one here is just a pretty simple square style, but then you have your medicine cabinet behind the mirror, right? So now it just looks clean. It looks like a mirror. You don't have the thing on the side, but it still is a medicine cabinet. Okay, that was pretty much it. Hope you learned something. Good luck on your next remodeling project, and I'll see you next time.